Now, boys and girls, this is a very important news and make sure not to miss out on it as Terra dies and forks, protocols, and projects move to Polygon. Hello everyone and welcome to Crypto Prodigy YouTube channel, the place where we tell you everything you want to know and everything you need to know regarding your favorite cryptocurrency. In this video, as you could have guessed, we are going to be talking about none other than Terra Luna or Terra Classic Luna and a new blockchain and a new currency, Terra Luna. So what is going to happen to it? Today is the day a launch of a new blockchain has been announced, and where it's gonna go and what's gonna happen to the price. If that's what you want to find out, you came to the right place, because at the end of this video I will be providing you with that information. But first of all, let's get back to the news that I started the video with. Take a look at this, guys. Polygon is calling on projects displaced and disgruntled by Terra's collapse to join its ranks. Forget Terra 2.0, Polygon wants Terra projects to move to its blockchain instead. Polygon Studio CEO Ryan Watt shared via Twitter yesterday that Polygon and sidechain built on to complement and help scale Ethereum is launching a multi-million-dollar fund called the Terra Developer Fund to help Terra projects move from Do Kwon's now infamous and failed blockchain onto Polygon. Now, we all know what happened to Terra and what happened to its stablecoin, so I'm not gonna bother you with those details. But take a look at this. Watt announced yesterday that the Terra NFT marketplace, One Planet, would be the first project to make the migration, and One Planet will help Polygon migrate more Terra projects. Especially Terra NFT projects can apply to join One Planet's move to the new blockchain. The news comes about a week and a half after Watt shared the Polygon was watching the Terra collapse, and it's working closely with a variety of Terra projects to help them migrate over swiftly. So guys, is this really happening? Are the old projects that were located on the old Terra chain really migrating to Polygon, and what's gonna happen to Terra? Now, it's still not alive, the new blockchain, whether it was announced for today, but take a look at the latest tweet that we managed to find on the Terra official Twitter account. Yesterday we said Terra 2.0 is coming, tomorrow it arrives. The community has been working around the clock to coordinate a new chain's launch. Subject to potential change, we expect Terra to go live on May 28, 2022 at around 6 a.m. UTC. So guys, the new blockchain is still not alive. That's why the CoinMarketCap is not tracking it, and we have no way of finding out what the value will be once it starts until it goes live. Right now, what we can see is the value of Terra Classics dropping by 25.25%, as you can see here, and the trading volume is also in the red by 73.35%. If we look at the chart, there is no need to explain it. You can see a downward movement all over here, and it's all in the red. So what's gonna happen to a new chain? Stay tuned to find out. First of all, I would need to say, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so if you're willing to invest in any kind of cryptocurrency, you should do your own research on this. However, let's take a look at the next news before we get back to where the price is going to go. Luna 2.0, a great comeback story or a gambler's dream. The Luna crash has left countless investors holding bags in the dust after the price dumped below zero. Since then, there have been various suggestions of how to salvage the situation, such as splitting the network or making an entirely new one. The majority has landed on making a new blockchain that would give birth to Luna 2.0, otherwise known as Terra Classic. But will this be the greatest comeback story in crypto, or simply a gambler's wet dream? Now, since the announcement that Terra Classic would be launched as the way to migrate losses from the Luna crash, there have been different opinions pouring out from members of the community. Some have expressed some positivity regarding the revamp, especially towards airdrops that have been promised to holders of the cryptocurrency before the crash. Even exchanges such as Binance have expressed their support to Terra during this time. However, not everyone in the crypto community sees this as a good thing. To some, it's just another gambling play that would see stupid investors lose their money. One of those who subscribe to this school of thought is Dogcoin co-founder Billy Marcus. Marcus took to Twitter to share his thoughts about Luna Classic. The creator of the largest meme coin in the market expressed that this move would only go to prove that those who gamble on crypto are actually dumb. Now, Marcus has been openly criticizing the founder of Terra, Duke Quan, in the past, accusing him of being one of those people who only design things that fit in their bubble. This has resulted in Quan blocking Marcus on the social media platform, which drew further criticism from Marcus, calling Quan psychopathic. So the recent criticism of Luna Classic is very on brand for the Dogecoin founder. But guys, what we are interested in is, will Luna prosper? The question on every crypto investor's mind right now is if this move by Terraform will actually revive Luna. The cryptocurrency is down almost 100% in the space of 2 weeks and has been one of the worst disasters witnessed in the space. The impact of Luna crash has been linked to the MT-GOX hack. Now, nevertheless, there is always the fact that in crypto pretty much everything is possible. Even after the crash, there are still those who support Terra founder Duke Quan and believe that he will revive cryptocurrency. If support continues to ramp up and more investors are willing to move into the digital assets, then a mildly success comeback can be expected. Now guys, bear in mind, mildly success, and everything is on if. So my honest opinion is about the new Terra blockchain, and if it's gonna go booming and is the price going to explode, my honest opinion is that it's not. What will happen is definitely we will see some movement in the price into green, but definitely not a huge movement. So guys, if you were thinking of entering Terra Luna, I would not advise you to do it right away, because we can definitely not expect the value of the new Terra chain and the new Luna token to reach the value of the old one in around $80 or $190. We will definitely be seeing the new price of the new Terra going somewhere around 0.30 something or 0.20 something. So there is still time about this before you invest. Take a look at this, do your research, and after that we will see what will happen with the new Terra Luna price. If you like this video, leave me a comment, and thank you for viewing.